In today's episode, we have a grocery haul. So if you're interested in seeing what I purchased, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, guys, I know it's been a while. I've been MIA, but I'm trying to do a little bit of time to come back. It was a health issue that I'm still dealing with. But with all that said, I'm going to open up all these bags, and then I'm going to share with you the items that I purchased for today. Okay, we're going to start over here in this area. My husband likes the banana and peaches yogurt, so I got him a case of that, so you can see that. Then we got some unsalted butter, and I got some lemon juice, because I like to put my lemon juice in my water, so I got a big thing to refill my little squirts that I keep upstairs and downstairs. Now, this is something new I'm trying. It's a Greek yogurt. I got some last week to try out different ones to see which ones I preferred. And as you see, this stack is higher. Now, this is peach cobbler. And it's one of those flip ones where you can flip the things over here. So I really like the peach cobbler, so I purchased 6 more of those. Then I'm trying a new one. This is chocolate covered strawberries. And then here's one that's cookies and cream. And then this was chocolate haze craze. So my daughter told me to try this one. She said she likes this one. And then here's one that's salted caramel crunch. So I'll let you know what I think about these new 4 in the next episode. Alright, also I picked up a loaf of bread. And then I got these protein shakes for my husband. He likes strawberries, so I got that case of that. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. I picked up some rosemary. I was out of rosemary seasoning. And some more light salt, because my husband can't have the real salt. I picked up 2 packages of brown gravy mix. I got these are some quart freezer bags. Then I got the gallon freezer bags. I also picked up what is this? A 3-pound of ground chuck. Then I got some pork chops. I ordered 2 different kind of pork chops. I didn't give a one. I need to check my thing. The next thing I purchased was 2 bags of the medium-sized shrimp. Now these are deveined and they are the tails are off, because I want to cook a stir-fry this week. Next thing I got was some rice-a-roni, cheddar, and broccoli. And I purchased 4 boxes of the rice-a-roni long grain rice. My husband loves the long grain. Now, a couple of weeks ago, my sister turned me on to this at HEB. That it is the rotisserie chicken salad. This is really good. So I got a small container of that. I also picked up some baby mushrooms, the Baby Bella. I'm going to say it right one day. The Baby Bella mushroom cut up, because I want to cook with them this week as well. I have green bell pepper. How many of y'all like bell pepper? I also get the red, yellow, and the orange ones as well. I like the taste of these. They're a little sweet. I could eat these with some hummus. Good thing to do. I got 2 small squashes, green squash. I got a pack of chicken breasts. a head of cabbage, and 4 mangoes. Oh, wait a minute. I did get the other pack of pork chops. Left a bag out. I get 1 bag of pork chops with no bone and then 1 with bone. My husband likes the one with the bone. I prefer the ones with no bone. Now, this is my small haul. I just restocked other items that I've already used up. I try to keep whatever I use on the list, so when I get ready to buy groceries, I buy what I've used up. So let me know what you think of the items I purchased today in today's haul, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.